Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are tackling a simple but super important task, cleaning your AC filter. A dirty filter can lead to a whole bunch of problems, like reduced airflow, higher energy bills, and even worse, poor indoor air quality. Before doing the AC filter cleaning, it is highly recommended to turn off the AC unit to ensure safety. Remove the filter from its housing. It is usually located behind the front panel of the unit. After removing the front panel, you can see the dusty filters. Gently remove the AC filter. Wash the filter with water. Use a brush to remove loose dust and dirt. Rinse thoroughly and make sure that all dust and dirt are gone. Dry the filter completely before reinstalling it. It's important not to put a damp filter back into the unit. Replace the filter in its housing. Make sure it fits correctly without any gaps. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned your AC filter. Remember to do this every 30 days to keep your air quality top-notch. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your AC cleaning experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.